Hello, educators. Did you know Focus has a positive behavior component that allows you to award badges to recognize and encourage positive student behavior? This video demonstrates how to configure, award, and spend positive behavior badges using the list view. So let's go to Focus and get started. First, you log into your Focus account as usual. In the menu on the left side, choose Positive Behaviors. The Reward Positive Behavior screen appears. The default setting displays items in a list view. Choose Configure on the right top corner of your screen. Once the Configure screen displays, enter the badge title. In the next column is a drop-down. This is where you will see all of the award types your administrator has created. So you will need to associate the title of the badge you created with an administrator configured badge type. To select or upload a new icon for the badge, click Select. You can select from the recommended icons or upload your own icon. To upload an icon, choose a file and select the file from your computer. Any icons you have previously uploaded will be available in My Icons. The new icon is displayed in the icon column. Select Push Notifications to send a push notification to the student and their linked primary custodial contacts when the student is awarded this badge. The student and primary custodial contacts must have the mobile app downloaded and push notifications enabled to receive the notification. Once you have configured your new badge, don't forget to save. Now that we know how to configure positive behavior badges, let's take a look at how to award them. You will select Done in the top right-hand corner. The Reward Positive Behavior screen will appear. To award a student a badge, click the green plus icon in the column of the badge you want to award. The badge count will increase by 1. The red minus icon is enabled to each student, which can be clicked if the badge was given to the student by mistake. To award or remove a badge to all students, make sure the Mass Award is on. Click the green All Plus icon at the top of the badge column. Select Exclude Absent to remove students who are absent on the current day from the list. When you are finished awarding badges, click Save. If the Comment Before Save option is enabled, enter an optional comment in the pop-up window and click Confirm. So we have configured and awarded positive behavior badges. Let's take a look how students spend their badges. Next to the student or students, enter the amount to spend in the Spend column. If an amount is entered that is greater than the student's available balance, the amount will autocorrect to equal the student's available balance. Again, if you have Comment Before Save option enabled, you will be prompted to enter a comment. To spend the same amount of badges for all students, make sure the Mass Award is on and choose All and enter an amount. When you are finished spending badges, click Save. You can view and edit a student's badge history. Click on the History column next to the student. The history includes a row for each time badges were awarded or spent. You will see the date, badge title, value, and comments. You can edit or comment for a row. To delete badges awarded or spent, click the red minus sign to the left of the row. Deleting a spend line will add the spent badges back into the student's available balance. The row will be highlighted in red to indicate it was deleted. When you are finished, choose the Save button. Click the X to close the pop-up window. Focus's positive behavior badges effectively foster a positive classroom. Celebrating student success is as simple as taking a moment to acknowledge their positive behavior and hard work. Thanks for watching. Help us create more videos just for you by subscribing to our YouTube channel and complete our content request form.